Modzy is transforming how manufacturers use fourth industrial revolution technologies like artificial intelligence and machine learning. With Modzy, manufacturers gain a horizontal platform that powers machine learning-enabled solutions like predicting supply chain bottlenecks, monitoring quality assurance, and improving worker safety. But our customers face challenges with achieving a well-connected network of operators, machines, and materials at the speed and scale needed to match today's demand. Many struggle with deploying and integrating AI, relying on inefficient and unscalable tools and approaches, which leads to a lack of visibility and control of operations. The pattern is to purchase more packaged applications that are proprietary, which leads to vendor lock and difficult integration with existing tech and workflows. This leads to friction with enterprise scale and adoption. More importantly, our customers need a way to update existing assets, hardware, and enterprise applications with constantly evolving AI technologies. But many of these systems were built long before the cutting-edge AI solutions of today. Modzy offers manufacturers a horizontal, scalable platform that powers AI-enabled solutions across the enterprise. With APIs for SCADA systems, sensors, and applications, Modzy streamlines how our customers integrate AI at scale wherever it's needed, in the cloud, on premises, or at the edge. From using machine learning to predict how parts delays will impact the supply chain, to embedding computer vision models on factory floor cameras to improve worker safety, Modzy provides a common fabric for our manufacturing customers to accelerate AI deployment anywhere. Modzy streamlines AI integration from the enterprise to the edge. Don't wait. Request your custom demo of the Modzy platform today.